If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here. Welcome to Mental Dental, your go-to place for all things dental education. So today I'm excited to walk you through the Mental Dental Academy, your ultimate study tool to help you master the INBDE and ADAT. So I've received a lot of questions about what the Academy is. Is it just the same YouTube videos that you can see online? What am I really paying for if I sign up? And I'll tell you right now, it's much, much more than just the same old videos. Whether you're starting out from scratch or you're already a few months into your preparation, this platform has everything that you need, not only to pass the exam, but to crush it. And so I'm going to give you 7 reasons why you can't miss out on this brand new platform. So the Mental Dental Academy is designed to simplify your studying process. It's designed specifically for optimized learning. A customized 3-month study planner is included in the first chapter to help you organize your preparation effectively and keep you on track. The Academy features over 222 structured lessons across 23 chapters, meticulously crafted to cover all topics in depth. Also included in Chapter 1 is a handout that reviews the 10 foundation knowledge areas of the INBDE and how many questions you can expect from each section. If you failed a previous INBDE attempt, this handout will also show you how to interpret your score report and show you what topics you're missing. While many of the videos are recognizable from YouTube, there are several new ones, including a video on sickle cell anemia, 2 on biochemistry, 1 on dental materials, 1 on genetics, another on systemic pathology, a new one in the endodontics series, another in the biostatistics series, and hundreds more on the way. The good news too is all of these new videos have no intro, no outro, and no ads at all. It's just the lectures, so you save a lot of time there as well. This next thing is what really sets the Academy apart from every other platform. So I offer live case reviews every other week. And these are interactive sessions where I lead a discussion on a patient case just like one that you'd see on your exam. And then I let each of you answer practice questions on that case. And we discuss the answers in a virtual classroom format. This helps you prepare for the notoriously difficult case sets on the exam. I've gotten extremely positive feedback from these sessions, and recordings of past classes can also be found in the Academy. Members gain access to exclusive practice questions designed to reinforce learning after each video lesson and build exam readiness. These include over 250 knowledge check questions spread across most of the video lessons and a full-length mock exam of 500 questions in the final chapter. Included in several lessons are handouts summarizing key concepts in a concise, easy-to-review format, ideal for memorization. The first few lessons in the endodontics and pharmacology chapters will give you some good examples of what to expect. One of my most frequently requested study resources are the slides from my videos. While I do sell them separately on my website, all of the slides for each video lesson are included in the Academy, conveniently located alongside each and every video. And finally, as a member, you benefit from closer interaction with me, allowing for personalized guidance and support. I always try to answer as many questions as I can through email and Instagram, but I give priority to current Academy students. So what are you waiting for? To get signed up, go to mentaldental.com/academy. Link in the description below this video. You can purchase a monthly or annual membership, and then you're in. You'll get a welcome email to your inbox, and you immediately gain access to everything that we talked about in this tutorial video. I can't wait to see you there. Bye for now.